So let's think about Polybase as a semantic layer, right? So what it does is, and we'll see this in the next slide and in the demo, right? What it does is it creates an external table that maps to the source data, whether it's a flat file, whether it's another SQL table or Hadoop or whatever, right? Create an external table that maps to that data, right? The great thing about this, and we'll talk about this, Dan and I will talk about this more when we get into some of the demos, it's we can obfuscate some of the data that we don't want to bring back, right? So if a table's got 10 columns, but we only want to see 5, we can exclude 5 of those columns and just create our external table on those 5 columns that we want to see, or just the data that we want to see, right? Where we really can't do that with linked servers, right? So there's great security around just to be able to obfuscate some of that data, right? We'll talk about joins and data source access here in a little bit, but one of the great things about Polybase is, and I've got a quick demo about this, is we can actually use views, SQL Server views, to abstract some of that data as well, right? On some of the data sources. So we'll see that in a quick demo here in a minute, right? And then we have, just like since it's SQL Server, you can use joins and unions to collect and gather that data and query all sorts of data, right? So if I want to union and join data from different data sources, I can do that right through Polybase because it uses the T-SQL language. So it's phenomenal. It doesn't matter where my data sits, I can do that. I can query different data sources and union and join those together right through T-SQL.